What's up, YouTube? I'm back with a clipper review, and this is kind of exciting for me. This is a clipper that I first started off with in barber school. Now, the barber school gave me some senior with cords, old school, and I remember I went to my barber shop at the time where I was going at. One of the barbers was a really good friend of mine. I grew up with him. He liked the seniors. He showed me some fast feeds. Now, I had the corded ones. These are the new things. This is something I've been wanting for about a year and a half. I could have bought them online. I could have gotten them right when they came out, but I have a vendor that comes to me. He's been rocking with me for a year or two. I want to say during COVID until now. He's a good guy. So he said anytime he gets these clippers, he's going to bring them to me. He said, "Oh, you'll be the first guy. I'll hand them to you, this, and that." So just off me doing business with him, I said, all right, I won't do it myself. I'll wait for him. Finally. Now, I've had these for a month or two. I've been meaning to do a review on them. I wanted to see how they would cut. I love them. I love them. I love them. I love them. The ones that I did have before, the ones with the cord, they had a ceramic blade on them. Now, I did have an Andis ceramic blade on my first fast feeds. That ceramic blade does not fit here. It's a new clipper. It's a cordless clipper. Just because it has the same blades and everything doesn't mean it's the same. So I just ordered some new ceramic blade for that. Now, the ceramic blade that I usually get, it's a big teeth, little teeth, big teeth, little teeth. Those ones I feel like cut the best with the fast feeds. I will let you know, these are not for cutting bulk. These are not for doing a whole haircut. These are just for the fade. Exactly just for the fade. Now, I don't use the clippers that it comes with. I do use these. Actually, let me bring one. I use this one. The magnetic Andis goes perfectly on the clipper. I don't use the regular guards. I feel like they're too flimsy and they'll break off, so I normally don't use them. There's one thing I'm disappointed about this. Fast Feed and Osters are one of the OGs of the clippers. They have a pivot. So what that means is it has two magnets that come back and forth. Back and forth. You know what I mean? Let me show you. These do not have it. They have a rotator, so it means it's just one blade staying stationary and the other blade is just cutting. Now, it looks similar to the other clipper. They just did a rotary for it. That's the word, rotary. Instead of having two magnets that are going at the same time. That's why I like the Gammas. The Gammas have the same thing. They go back to back. They have two magnets. They publicize it as magnets, but it's just going like a pivot. Now with these, they take me a little bit more time to fade. They take me a little bit more time to detail, even though these are my favorite clippers. I practiced with these. I did everything with these. I do give it a 7.5 or 8 out of 10. If I have a busy day, if I have a lot of clients, I will not use these. I will not. These are just for when it's a slow day and I actually have time to create, have time to post pictures on my social media and do stuff like that. Or if I really want to put out a nice picture, I'll use these babies. Now, I still need to get the ceramic blade. So once I get the ceramic blade, the zero gap will even be way better. The thing that I really like about this is that reminds me of the Masters, the Andis. Usually most clippers that end right here. This one goes even farther back. So it gives me more adjustable angles, more everything to just flick out and just be just a little bit more precise. This does have a taper blade. A taper blade is, I don't know if you can see that, the grooves are a little bit longer. I like fade blades. When it comes to the fast feeds, why not take your time? Me personally, I enjoy them. I use them more for shadow fades, or if I want to do a light bald fade, I'll go to these. So I do recommend barbers, if you want to get your speed up, I don't suggest these. If you want to just get cuts out the way, I don't suggest these. You can't cut bulk with these. These cordless ones, compared to my ones with the cord, these will gunk up so quick to where I just have to get a disinfectant spray or something and just blow it through, or get an air compressor, something, or I even have to unscrew the blades, because these are not for bulk. Now, I do like using these for waves. I will take the bulk off with the waves for whatever reason. For me, it just comes out so smoother, so much more detail. So you guys put on the comments below if you like using these for waves, if you like using these just for fading, or if you actually use these for bulk. I don't know anyone that uses these for bulk. Hey, this is my third or fourth pair of these, but my first cordless one. I've had 2 fast feeds that have been with cord, and I even had the black ones. I think they were called the fast lines with the gold blade on them. Yeah, so I had the black ones with the gold blade. I had the 2 regular ones with both ceramic blades. These are, I love these. I love these. I love these. I love these more than I love the Gammas. The thing that I do recommend is, if you do use the Gammas or anything with a lock-in handle, open, middle, closed. But what I like to do is I go little by little when it comes to these, just for that nice little detail. So I will post, or I will put some videos of me using these on clients. Y'all tell me what you think. If you like the video, hit that subscribe button, comment something. I do comment back. If there's anything that you like that you want me to do, let me know. I know some people told me some styling videos. You'll see those coming up soon. Anything when it's barber related, yeah, let me know. I do give these a thumbs up. These are certified and approved by Blessed by Abe. Learn your tools, practice. These took me at least a month and a half to get used to, because I've just been on my Gamma hype for 2-3 years. So I'm excited about these. This is probably one of my favorite clippers and something I've been excited to review about. Now, I'll show you some videos of just the clipper on the stand. It has a portable stand, and I'll show you a couple haircuts of mine. Tell me what you guys think. I appreciate you guys. I'm gonna be posting a lot more. I'm gonna be, you know, more into the YouTube. So thank you for fucking with me, you guys. I appreciate you guys, and stay tuned.